today I feel like having my nails done because it's been 3 weeks since the last time and my nails have grown out so much. They chip. It's so gross. I'm heading to the nail salon with my friend Lizzie.
Hi, I'm Lizzie.
The place is just around the corner and we can walk there.
Okay, great. Let's go.
I just read something interesting.
Really?
And it feels like we should have known it forever, but we didn't.
Okay.
Before we get our manicure, we should apply sunscreen on our hands.
Oh, why?
Because we're gonna put our hands under the UV lamp. The nails harden, right?
True.
Ultraviolet light, yeah, skin cancer.
What would you like to get done?
I'm thinking something simple. Like I'm not really a fan of flowery, glittery stuff. So I think I'm just gonna have it painted black because I'm gonna wear all black outfits next week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so what about you?
I'm the same, quite plain, nothing added, just like gel, like plain gel nails, one color. Maybe sort of, I have some colors on my phone I might show.
Sure. First, she has to take off my nail polish for the last time, and she's gonna clean your cuticles.
Clean my nails and my cuticles. So also last night I decided to cook a curry and I got turmeric all over and curry powder all over my nails.
Yeah,
so
timing, right?
they are yellow. So I need to get my nails done.
Okay.
She is clipping my nails and then filing them as well in a rounded shape and then soaking them.
Now she's applying cream to soften my cuticles to take it out. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with black for both hands, but then I want another color for this, the ring finger.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one.
Oh, nice.
For just this finger.
For just that one, yeah. That would be nice. That sounds lovely. Now she is putting on the base coat. And then I need to put my hands under the UV light to let it set.
She's putting on the first coat and we're gonna need 3 of them.
Now she is putting on the top coat, which is the final stage. And that will set the gel polish and keep it on for longer.
We're all done here and now she's just putting on some protective oil for the nails. Yeah, it's so cute.
I really like it, it's nice. It's a really pretty color.
Yeah.
Let's see yours. Oh, they're lovely.
Yeah.
I like the silver.
Yes.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be lovely.
Yeah, you should have done the
I know the one
color.
I know.
Yeah.
I quite like to keep it simple though.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm happy too.